Renovating your home? Start with a free in-home consultation. Whether you're ready to explore design options or just gathering ideas, we'd love to welcome you into our design gallery. What sets us apart? We actually build your windows right here in Edmonton, so we have full control over the quality. We use advanced machinery to cut, frame, and seal each unit. But it's not just machines doing the work. Every single unit is crafted, checked, and perfected by real people. It's that combination of technology and human touch that makes the difference. Every window is custom built for your home, made to the exact size and style you need. No shortcuts, no one-size-fits-all, just thoughtful craftsmanship and consistent quality at every step. And because we build everything in-house, we're able to oversee every part of the process, from the first cut to the final touches. Once complete, each window is carefully inspected to make sure it works perfectly and looks exactly the way it should. Then it's safely packaged and prepared for delivery. After 35 years, we know it's not just about how it's made. It's how it arrives, how it's installed, and how it makes you feel when it's finally part of your home. Installation is where everything comes together. That's why our installers take their time, work with precision, and treat your space the respect it deserves, because you deserve to love the space you live in. At Durabuilt, we build with care, purpose, and passion, with a focus that's always all about you.